Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to download LibreCAD on Windows from GitHub. First, open your browser and go to the GitHub. In the search bar, type LibreCAD official repository and open the page for LibreCAD. Then, click on the Releases section. On the release page, look for the latest stable version. Scroll down to the Assets section and find the file that ends with windows.exe, for example, librecad-x.x.x-windows.exe. Click on the file and the download will start automatically. After the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the downloaded.exe file. If Windows shows a security prompt, click Run to continue. Now click Next in the Setup window, accept the license agreement, choose your preferred installation location, and then click Install. Wait for the installation process to finish. Finally, click Finish. You can now open LibreCAD from the desktop shortcut or the Start menu. You're ready to start creating 2D drawings on your Windows computer. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.